Hi, this is the first run review of the new Neato D7 connector. The setting up of its Wi-Fi connection is quite simple. There are video guides in the app itself to show you step-by-step procedure on how to set up the Wi-Fi connection. If you're not very good fiddling with new app installation like me, these video guides are really helpful. It took me about 5 minutes due to my unstable Wi-Fi connection when it first shows not supported. Nevertheless, it worked brilliantly after I reboot my router and reconnect. To run Neato D7 connected, you can either press the button on the machine or activate it from your handphone through the Neato app. The way it moves is quite similar to the other Neato models. It scans, maps, and plans its path. When it comes to obstacles, it will slow down and move carefully around them. It divides the floor space into a section of about 13 feet by 13 feet, cleans along the circumference of the section before it cleans in the middle of the section, then continue with the next section when it's done in the first section. Usually, it doesn't touch the obstacles even as it goes very close to clean as deeply as possible, but sometimes it does touch the furniture a little when turning. If you don't want it to touch anything, you can choose the extra care mode, where it will keep itself a little further, like about half an inch, so it doesn't touch the furniture at all. While it has no problem running on all hard floors and mid-pile carpet, long furry rug like this is not recommended as they are too much resistance. The navigation has been improved. It managed to move out of some tight spaces that other robotic vacuum can get caught. The overlapping movement they give practically each spot. Double passes remain the same with other Neato models. Instead of providing a twisted blade brush plus a V-shaped combo brush in the connected and D8 models, the new D7 connected comes with only one new redesigned brush. It is a combo brush but in twisted formation. Imagine out of the 6 twisted blade strips, 3 are replaced with bristle strips. This actually provides a good suction and sweeping combination. Overall, I'm very happy with the way it works and the cleaning efficiency. In terms of navigation, there isn't significant difference from the other connected models or this series, though it seems more decisive now and less chance of getting stuck like earlier models. The no-go line is particularly useful to let the D7 connected know of your do not disturb zone, or if you have long pile carpet or rug that you don't want it to clean, or any place with safety concern. And the other extra K mode is also very useful for me. You may notice some legs of the furniture in the videos are badly scratched by some bump and turn robot vacuum. So in this case, I can choose extra K mode, where it keeps a safe distance away from this furniture and yet close enough to clean along the edges of walls. When it's done, returning to the charging station is a breeze. No guesswork at all. On the Neato app, you can see the house map and cleaning statistics. In my next review video, I'll show you how it works with the no-go line and extra K options. Give us a like and click the subscribe button below for further updates. Thank you for watching.